This is a 2002 Lexus ES300. If you ever change the battery, and those cars very sensitive, computer very sensitive. So every time you change the battery, most likely you're gonna get these two lights on, VSC and traction off. Okay. As soon as you drive the car, you roll it a little bit, they come off, they come on. So I've seen many videos online. I'm sure there's a lot of wrong information been posted. If you're working in a different year, it might be a different application or a different terminal setup or whatever. So this is a 2002 Lexus ES300. All right. So the way you do it, you need to cross those two terminals and the OBD2 connector. So I have it this off. So here is the numbers. You're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, and you continue 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So we need to connect 1, 2, 3, 4. We need to connect number 4 and number 14. Okay, so this is 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 and 4. Remember, 4 and 14. Ignition switch is off, and you do the connection. Let me just connect it 1 second, please. Okay, so you could use a paper clip. However, we're a professional shop, so we have different connectors here. So here is number 4 and number 14. They are crossed. Okay, you go on and you turn the ignition switch on for like, let's say 10 seconds. You can see the VSC flashing and ABS flashing rapidly. Okay, let's just do this for like about 10 seconds. Make sure the steering wheel in a straight position. It's the center. Car is off now. Okay, steering straight, and we turn the ignition switch off, and now you disconnect these two. That's it. Now start the car. The lights are off. We're gonna move it. You can see they're not turning on. They used to turn on as soon as you move the car. I'm sure you're gonna have this problem in those years and most of the years after that, but this is for a 2002 Lexus ES200. That's all you have. ES300, sorry. That's all you have to do. Okay, and make sure the steering is straight before you do anything. All right, that's the way you do it. Good luck.